Hi, good morning everybody. This is a short video for the tutors of year 7, 8 and 9, the members of year 7, 8 and 9, and is also for your English teachers to watch as well. I'm making this video for you because I have signed you all up for a global competition called Word Mania, which I thought looked really fun. It's free, you can win certificates and you can win financial prizes, and you can get a lot of recognition both for yourself and for the school by taking part in this. So it's on a website called Literacy Planet, so it's literacyplanet.com. And I have given all your tutors a little slip of paper, and it's got everybody's sign in and their password so that you can log into Literacy Planet, and when you get to Literacy Planet you will click on Play Word Mania. That's what we're up to at the moment. Now, as you can see on this web page I've got open here, we are at the moment in the middle of the registration period. I've registered the school. As I said, you've all got your logins and your passwords that I've given to your tutors to give to you. And up until October the 27th, you can still play and practice, but the actual Word Mania competition doesn't start until after half term. So it starts on the Monday after half term, October the 28th, as you can see here. So there are 3 rounds and then the finals in the middle of November. Now I want to tell you a little bit more about this game. So I've been a bit naughty. I've logged in as Pfizer this time, Pfizer in year 9. So Pfizer, I've won you a bunch of points already, so I hope you're happy about that. And what I'd like to do is to show you how the game plays. I probably won't be very good at it while I'm talking to you at the same time. So it's just loading at the moment. It's a bit cute because it's like for younger kids as well, but it goes all the way up to year 9. So you can see here it says start. So I'm going to click on start. I've got a whole bunch of letters here. I've got 3 minutes to make as many words as I can. So I'm having a look at this for a minute, and I'm going to make a tree. And I've got a mark for that, and I'm having a look to see if there's an S so I can make trees, but I haven't got an S this time, so it's really annoying. I'm having a look to see what I can make. Now it's tea. That's kind of like a golf thing, isn't it? And then I'm going to make a cup of tea there. These aren't really very good scores, so what I really want to do is look for some longer words, but hopefully by now you're getting the idea of how you play. You've got your 3 minutes that you can play for. I've been going for about 40 seconds now, but I won't bore you any longer. I'll actually get out of this now. But you can see up here when I've been playing, and the top score that I got was 1,000 points, and my worst score, I've had three games apart from that one I just cancelled. My worst score was 586. There's all sorts of things you can do, like if you spell a word, if you spell like 6 words correctly in a row, you get a golden letter, and then that kind of doubles up all your points and things like that. Right, obviously you can see that this is the PC version of the game, this is the web version, but you can also download a free app for iOS and for Android phones, and what you would type in on Play Store is Literacy Planet Word Mania. There are loads of other word games as well, but you'll see it's Word Mania with Literacy Planet, and you can download that, log in and play on your phone. It's actually easier, I think, on your phone than doing it with a mouse. I'm trying to think if I've forgotten anything. There's some cute things you can do, like over here you can change your monster avatar, so I don't know if you're kind of into that. I started off with a little blue one, but when I won some points, so you get more choices of what you can do, so I just gave this avatar some sweet shoes and little flowers in her hair because I thought that was cute, and I thought that Pfizer would quite like that. And the other thing that you can do is when other people have logged in, you can challenge someone, like from your tutor group maybe, or if you've got an older brother or sister, you can challenge them, and that makes it a bit more fun, a bit more competitive. What I would say, what they've said here is if you try and spell any rude words, I will get flagged up because I'm the administrator here, and they won't allow you to accept those anyway, so you won't get any marks for trying to put in rude words, fun though that might seem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully that's all quite clear. Hopefully I'll have loads of certificates to start giving out to you as the proper rounds start after half term. Get logged in. You can have a play. If you go down at lunchtime and get on one of the computers in the library, or if you go to Homework Club on Tuesday, you can have a few rounds of this 3 minutes ago, and it's just really, really brilliant for building up your vocabulary and making your spelling even better. So, you know me, I'm Miss Kendall. I'm in 2.21 or in the Learning Resource Centre at lunchtime. If you want any help, I'm going to email out to your tutors your passwords, as well as giving them the slips of paper, so if you forget your password or your login, just go and ask them. I hope that you have a lot of fun playing this. I hope that you challenge your friends, and I hope that you get really, really good at spelling and vocabulary. Bye bye.